Hi friends, this is with Superstar Cleaning. Today's video is to help a friend. She wants to know how to clean the garbage disposal and the garbage disposal splash guard. And also she wants to know how to make it smell good. Okay, my friends, this is the disposal that I will be cleaning today. First, we are going to remove all the junk. And then we are going to run hot water so that all that junk gets soft and easy to clean. We are going to add a dish soap with some hot water, and then we're gonna run the disposal. And for that build up, we are going to be using a special tool. And look, just by washing it with the soap, it looks much better. It has a lot of build up, but we're going to be using this tool and then brush it. I bought it on Amazon. I will be leaving the link of this tool in the comments. And I added a little bit of Dawn dish soap to scrub it. And I am going to let the water run, so all that junk that is coming off, it's gonna be it's gonna wash away at the same time, so we don't keep that all that there. And I love using this tool because right now that I'm just rinsing, look, it looks so beautiful. It looks already clean. For the disposal splash guard, I am going to brush it really good with soap, hot water, and this is how it looks. It looks dirty, but it's actually pretty old, so that's okay. And then I'm going to be adding 2 more dishwasher soap packages, and then add water, run the disposal, and let it just go through it. And it looks really clean now. It looks beautiful. That brown stuff on the bottom, it's more like the metal is damaged. It's so we cannot do anything about it, but it looks pretty clean. What do you guys think? For the smell, I will leave a link on the comments so you guys can buy like a tablet to make it smell really good. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.